Hey y'all, so I finally decided to get on this TikTok washing powder trend.
We love a challenge.
So I went to my local Walmart and got a couple of items.
Just a couple.
The total cost was around $45.
$45.
Okay, you see it. And now we had to shred. And baby, you got to put some elbow grease in that. That's why you see so little.
Oh, yeah.
After the grating was done, I poured in the Roma.
Looks so good. We're gonna mix
Next,
it.
I poured in the Arm & Hammer washing powder.
Hammer.
And then I added the borax.
Oh my goodness. She's going for the borax.
The next thing I did was add in the OxyClean.
What's that stuff? The OxyClean? Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
Then I added the Purex crystals and the Arm & Hammer beads.
A lot of white and green, a lot of colors.
Now I'm pouring in the Ariel powder.
They're blue, look at them. Just look at them.
And finally, the Foca.
The Foca, she's gonna overfill that. She's gonna have to get another. As she mixes it up, she's gonna have to get a bigger, the bigger container. Oh, there we go. That's the stuff. That's the stuff. Pour it in, baby. We're gonna pour it. That's how we're gonna do it. Pour the stuff in. Oh yeah, so good. It's so good. Look at her, she's just pouring it in. Now she's gonna mix it. Oh yeah, we put all the Foca in there and everything. It smells so good. It's a cloud of clean dust in there. She's inhaling it. And I don't know if she's gonna smell good for days or not behind this, but I'll tell you one thing, I don't mind. Oh yeah.
Excuse him, y'all. I'm back. But now, as you see, I'm mixing up the mixture. And from what I'm told, this should last us for quite a while. I'm not sure, but I'll let y'all know. That's the final product, and there you have it. God bless y'all. Be blessed. Scoop, scoop, shoot, 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 we do.